Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill tax return online. First, select a trusted online tax preparation service or your country's official tax website. Ensure you have all your financial records ready, such as income statements and receipts for deductions. Then, create a new user account or log in to an existing one, making sure your connection is secure. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and accurate filing experience. To accurately complete your return, you'll need several key documents. This includes all income statements, such as your W-2 or T-4 forms, showing your earnings and taxes withheld. Also, gather records for any potential deductions or credits, like mortgage interest, student loan interest, or charitable contributions. Finally, ensure you have your Social Security number or tax identification number and bank details for direct deposit or payment. The online platform will guide you through various sections, prompting you to input your income, deductions, and other financial details. Take your time and enter information precisely, double-checking each field for errors. Most platforms offer helpful resources like frequently asked questions or direct support if you get stuck. Remember, accuracy here is paramount to avoid future complications and ensure you receive the correct refund or owe the right amount. Before submitting, conduct a comprehensive review of your entire tax return. Check all numbers, personal information, and claim deductions one final time. Once confident, you will electronically sign your return, often with a personal identification number or a digital signature. Finally, submit your return through the Secure portal, ensuring it's sent well before the official deadline to avoid any late penalties. You'll usually receive a confirmation email within 24 to 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.